Hi everyone, it's Donna and DeeAnn with Embroidery.com.
Hi guys!
We are going to be showing this week's project, which is Bath Time Buddies Applique Design Pack. So, I remember when I gave you this design pack to do, and you were like, what am I going to do with it? And I told you to make some hooded towels.
Yeah, and I was like, hooded towels? I've never made a hooded towel before. How do I make a hooded towel? And you told me to go to YouTube.
And they have patterns for everything. So you found a really easy pattern using a washcloth, 2 washcloths, and a bath towel.
Yes.
Perfect.
And I took it and said, okay, now I got to figure out how to actually stitch this all together. and so I just kind of tried to follow the pattern the best I could the way they did it on YouTube, and I got it together.
Fabulous. So then what stabilizers here did you use?
I used the underneath I used the tearaway, and then on top I use the wash away. And the reason why you use that top is so that it doesn't get stuck in the terry cloth itself.
That's perfect. So then, of course, obviously, we accented these because they are applique designs with glitter flecks. So how did you do that?
I did the placement stitch, and then you place the glitter flecks on top, and you do the tack down stitch. And then those scissors that you just saw there for just a minute are duckbill scissors and applique scissors, and they are absolutely wonderful.
They just get right down in there so you can cut away the excess glitter flecks.
Yes.
Without cutting the stitches.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Exactly right. You can get right down in there. And, you know, most people pull the hoop out to cut it off.
Yeah.
But I just figure if I can get down in there and get it cut away, then that's less time and I can just continue on.
That is so great. But so how long did each one of these take you? I know you did 2 designs, one on each side of the head part of the towel.
Yes.
How long did a whole towel take you?
Well, you can see it's doing the satin stitch around with this little octopus. Most of them had some type of satin stitch, and so it ended up taking me about an hour for the whole towel, for each towel.
That's really not bad for a whole project to be done in just an hour.
No, it's really not.
So I was going to ask you how you changed or made this project your own, but we already covered that. You made them into hooded towels. And again, that is also something new you'd learned. You'd never obviously done that before.
Yeah. Yeah, I really never had. And it was fun. It was lots of fun.
They're super, super cute. What were any problems that you came across as you were stitching these?
Well, if you look at these, those patterns are kind of big on the washcloth. I didn't know how to shrink those down. So since then, I've done some research and gone to some classes and learned that you can shrink those patterns down, and so they'll fit better on the washcloth that makes the hood of the towel.
That's great. So you had a problem, didn't really necessarily... You knew you had the issue, but you were able to then go forth and learn how to fix it for your future projects.
Yes.
That is so great. I love that. So were there any other problems or issues with these hooded towels?
Well, I was kind of silly, and the first one that I did, I forgot to take the plastic off the glitter flecks before I tacked it down. So then I'm having to cut inside the stitches to cut the plastic out and try to work the plastic out from underneath the stitches. And from then on, I learned pull the plastic off first.
That's right. The glitter flecks does have that clear coating that you need to take off before you put it down to sew it onto the towel.
Yeah, it protects the glitter from coming off the glitter flecks until you go to use it.
That is so funny. Okay, so this Bath Time Buddy design packs has 13 applique designs from Olivia the Octopus, Shane the Shark, Wanda the Whale, and Lyle the Lobster. We have paired this pack with 10 sheets of glitter flecks. For up-close pictures and more information about this week's project, head over to our beginner's journey into Machine Embroidery Blog on embroidery.com, where DeeAnn will share her latest project with all of us. Make sure your notifications are turned on, as that's how you'll know a new video is up. And as always, we love to hear your comments and suggestions, so leave those for us below. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Happy stitching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!